here's where the irony comes in. So we were flying along one day, and we were several hours into a mission. We're flying over the Hindu Kush Mountains. It was a near border operation. And we had younger pilots, and those younger pilots, they kind of mess with us sometimes. We did some fun stuff together. Like they'd float us, and we do some fun stuff.
You gotta keep it interesting.
You gotta keep it real. But then our TCAS went off, and we're like, well, that can't be good. We thought they were messing with us. We hoped they were messing with us, and they were not messing with us. So TCAS, for all of you listeners that are not aviation folks necessarily, it's your traffic collision alert system. Yeah, that's bad. That means something's going to hit you, and you got to do something. So I was the mission commander on this mission, so I was facing the rear of the aircraft. And I looked over the right wing, and maybe 30 meters off the right wing was a Reaper UAV climbing through our airspace blind. Yeah, it was close. Like I could read the serial number on the Hellfire. Like, yeah, it was pretty close.
Jeez.
Yeah, I know. That's like, what the
That'll
heck?
get the hairs on your arm.
That'll give you a change of flight suit right away.
Yeah, right.
Yeah, man. So we returned to base, obviously, right away. We were almost done anyway, thank goodness. And we learned that those aircraft, when they lose their SATCOM, they do two things, especially over the mountains. So I guess there's a little bit of geointelligence built in. They orbit and they elevate. Well, we were operating in what's known as an ISR stack. Intelligence, surveillance, reconnaissance. For those folks, I know I use a lot of acronyms. Just blame the military.
That's all right. Yeah, put them all out there. Aviation, man. There's so many acronyms.
There's so many acronyms in every industry, so I don't feel bad. But I will explain them. So there's a bunch of assets above these missile-bearing fighter drones, which, by the way, are not little. Like, if you've ever seen these things, they're huge. Like, think bigger than your house. Huge. So yeah, it was a little scary, coming up against it.